Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope all are good. Today, let us learn about the word magic. Okay, word magic. Students, it is the second book, second semester. Okay, second semester, chapter 1, word magic. Okay, please listen. Read the clues and find the correct word. Okay, students, these are the clues. Okay, then you can find the answer from here, from the help box. Okay, students. Okay, first question: a person who takes care of people who are sick. Okay, a person who takes care of people who are sick. What is the answer? Caregiver. Very simple answer. Okay, students, where is the answer? This is second one, caregiver. Okay, you can take the answer from here, then fill up the columns. Okay, students, it means caregiver means a person who regularly looks after a disabled person or a sick person. Okay, students. Okay, then second question, a person who hates spending money. A person who hates spending money. What is the answer? Miser. Where is the miser? First answer, miser. Miser means conjuice. Okay, a person who wish to spend a little money as possible. Okay, students, miser. Okay, next one, a Russian astronaut. Russian astronauts का क्या बोलता है? Cosmonaut. See, here is the answer, cosmonaut. Cosmonauts are people trained and certified by a Russian space agency. Okay, to work in space. Cosmonaut. Cosmonaut means people who are trained and certified from Russian agency. Okay, Russian space agency. Cosmonaut बोलते हैं उन लोगों को. Then fourth, a person who studies the science of plants. What is the answer? Botanist. Do you hear about botanist? Here, botanist. Okay, students, botanist means an expert in or a studies or study of a scientific study of plants. Scientific study of plants. Okay, students, botanist. Then, a person who enjoys mixing with the people. Very simple answer. Sociable. Where is the answer? Here. Sociable. Sociable means willing to talk or cooperate with others. Okay, students? Okay. Next one. A people who treats animals. Do you heard about a veterinary doctor? Okay, students? Okay. Now, who is the person who treats animals, especially injured animals? Where is the answer? Veterinarian. Okay. Now, you can write it veterinarian. Okay. Next, seventh one, a person who skilled in foreign languages. Okay, what is the answer? Linguist. What is the answer? Linguist, someone who studies languages, especially skilled in foreign languages. Okay, then next answer, what is the answer? Linguist. Then next answer, a person who enjoys reading and collecting books. What is the answer? Bibliophile. Okay, bibliophile means a person who love books. Okay, who interest to collect books, great love of books. Okay, what is the name? What is the name of that person? Bibliophile. Here is the answer. You can pick out from here and fill up the column. Next, ninth one, a person who is always hopeful. Very interesting question, no, students? A person who has confident about future or the success of something. Okay, what is the answer? Who is that person? Optimist. Where is the answer? Here, optimist. Okay, a person who always hopeful, confidence जो जिसको है. Okay, then a person who is scared of heights. Scared of heights. Okay, what is the answer? Acrophobe. Acrophobe means a person who experiences a fear of height. जो ऊंचाई को थोड़ा सा डर लगता है, ऐसे वाले people है. Acrophobe. Now students, you can write the answers here. Fill up the columns. Okay, then read the clues. Okay, you can read the clues and fill up the answers here. Okay, students, understood? Okay, good. Now let us learn about the next chapter. Now students, let us learn about palindromes. Okay, chapter 2, palindromes. Palindromes means a word, phrase or sequence that reads the same backward as forward. Okay, students, palindrome, very interesting words are here. Now I will explain you. Okay, students, palindromes are words that read the same even in reverse. For example, mom. See the word mom. M-O-M, mom. Forward, mom. Backward, पीछे से देख लो M-O-M. दोनों सेम वर्ड है, आगे से पीछे से पढ़ लो सेम वर्ड है. अंडरस्टैंड स्टूडेंट्स? फॉरवर्ड एंड बैकवर्ड you can read same word only, same spelling only. Okay students, these type of words are called palindromes. Okay, now see, using the clues given, see, we can see the clues, then find the answers that are all palindromes. See, palindromes are here, palindromes words. You can pick out the words from here. First one, midday. What's the meaning of midday? Middle of the day, दोपहर का time. Okay students, what is the answer? Very interesting answer, very simple answer. Okay, noon. Now you can write the answer here. Noon, N-O-O-N, noon. See, N-O-O-N, noon. आगे से पीछे से सेम वर्ड है. देन बैकवर्ड N-O-O-N, noon. आगे से पीछे से सेम वर्ड है. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, देन सेकंड वन, former rulers of Iran. Former rulers of Iran. What is the answer? See the answer here. Shahs. Shahs means example है Ali Shah, Shah Jahan. Okay, means it is a title. Shah is a title given to the emperors and kings of Iran. Okay, it is a respected word. Okay students, now you can write it here. Shahs, S-H-A-S-H-S. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, शास. से आगे से पीछे देख लो S-H-A. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, आगे से पीछे से सेम वर्ड है शास. ओके, देन नेक्स्ट वन, व्हाट इज दिस? मोर क्रिम्सन. मोर क्रिम्सन मीन्स having dark, more dark, deep and red color. Okay, this is the answer. More dark or having dark. Okay, where is the answer? Redder. Redder is the answer. Now you can write it here. Third one, redder. R-E-D-D-E-R. Redder. See students, R-E-D-D-E-R. Redder. Backward, R-E-D-D-E-R. Redder. Okay, backward, forward, same word only. Okay, then watertight canoes. Okay, watertight canoes. Okay students, where is the answer? See, here is the answer. Kayak. Kayak is the answer. Means a tight narrow boat. Okay students, a light narrow boat, kayak. Now you can write it here. Kayak. Okay, a light narrow boat है kayak, watertight canoes. Then act or action, very simple word, no? Act or action. Okay, which is the other word? Deed. Deed, it is a, see, palindrome word. Deeds, palindromes. Okay, D-W-E-D, deed. Again पीछे से backward D-W-E-D. Okay, in reference to something. Okay, to talk or write about something. Reference. Okay, in reference to something. Sixth one, where is the sixth one? Students, find out the answer. See, same word only. Refer. What is the answer? Refer. R-E-F-E-R. Refer is the answer. Then what you call your teacher? Students, what do you call your teacher? Madam. Okay, where is the madam? M-A-D-A-M. M-A-D-A-M. Very simple question, huh? Then M-A-D-A-M, madam. Backward only same word. Okay, forward and backward same word only. Then heroic series. Heroic series means Veer Sringala. Okay students, heroic series means a long story of heroic achievements. जो heroine जो किया ऐसे एक स्टोरी होता ना, like Superman, Shaktiman, heroic series. Okay students, like drama. Eighth one, where is the answer? Saga. Okay, sagas. S-A-G-A-S. S-A-G-S saga. S-A-G-S saga. Okay students, then pertaining to a city or town means related to a city or town, which is the another word? Palindrome word, civic. Word is civic. civic, C-I-V-I-C, civic, C-I-V-I-C, civic. Okay, then what is this, students? Verbs used to spoke incoming flights. Okay, students, verbs used to spoke in incoming flights. Okay, where is the answer? Radar. Where is the answer? Radar. Now you can write it down. Radar. R-A-D-A-R. Students, what is the meaning of radar? Radar means it is a system which gives information about the presence, direction and distance or speed, okay, of aircraft, means in airport and in ships. Okay, students, what is the answer? Presence of flights. Okay, students, otherwise direction of ships, distance of ships, speed of aeroplanes. Okay, so इसका system क्या है? What is the system? Radar system. Okay, radar system. Verbs used to spoke incoming flight. Incoming flight का बारे में verbs that I understand, students. Incoming flights, verbs used to spot incoming flights. What is the answer? Direction, distance and speed of aircraft and ships. Okay, okay, good. Now you can read the palindromes, clues and write the answers also. Okay, students. Okay, good.